Hello guys, we are back with the next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSE 2017 set 1. The given question is if G is the grammar with productions, okay, where S is the start symbol, then which one of the following is not generated? Okay, yes. So let us start. Okay, so we want the first letter and the last letter to be AB, right? Yes. So I think we can select this particular production, right? Yes. So this thing and this thing is done. In between, I want a BA. So I will select a B, S and A. Here I will select epsilon. So my requirement is done. So basically that thing can be generated, right? Yes. Okay, moving on to option B. I want at the start A and at the end B. Okay, and in between I want two A's. Okay, I think it's possible, right? Yes. So from yes I will take A, B and yes. Okay, so this A, this B is done. So now from this yes I will generate yes, A, yes, and this yes I will generate yes, A, yes, and all these yeses I will make epsilon. So indirectly what did I get, guys? A, B. That is nothing but this. So that is possible. Similarly, moving on to C, at the start I want A and at the end I want A. Okay, so S, I will take SS here. From first S I will generate S, A, S, and from the last S I will generate S, A, S, and here I will make it epsilon, here I will make it epsilon. So first A and last A are done. So first I want BB, then one A I want. Okay, so this is done, right? Yes. So from this A, let us try to generate that particular thing. Yes, so I'll make it epsilon. So this A is also done. So now I want two B's. Okay, so if I want two B's, okay, so the issue with respect to B is so B is always paired up with A, right? Yes. So I think my approach is a bit wrong with respect to this thing then, right? Yes. Okay, so let us try in the other way. From S I will start. So my first thing will be S. Okay, so from my first S I will generate A, S, B. Okay, so I have generated my first thing, first two letters A, B. Okay, I will make it epsilon, right? Yes. Okay, so from this second S, what I will do is I will generate first two S's, guys. Okay, so from this second S, this first S, I will generate a B, S, A, and I will take epsilon here. So this thing is done. After that I need a single A, so I will generate S, A and S, and I will make them epsilons. So at the end I will get A, B, B, A, right? Yes. So this is also possible. So now the only thing which I think will be the correct answer is a D, right? Because I think D cannot be generated. Okay, so let us try. So at the start I want a B and at the end I want A. Okay, so from S we are having only one option to do that. This done. And in between I want A, B, B. Okay, so the issue with respect to B I told, right? So if you want to generate B, you always want to generate A, but that is quite impossible in this case, right? Yes, because if you, so always guys observe here carefully, always in this particular question the number of A's should be greater or equal to number of B's, guys. Observe the grammar carefully, because whenever we are trying to print B, A is automatically printing, right? Yes, so that is the reason why D is not possible, because their count of B is 3, that where count of A is 2 only, so that is not possible, right? Yes. Okay, so now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this question, right? Yes, so this is an interesting question and easy question, right? Yes. Okay, yes, so I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this. So in the next lecture let us continue with the next question, right? Yes, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.